Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OUKITEL WP36. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open, and here you have to click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, and now click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. And now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.